Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we will learn about texture adjectives. Texture describes how something feels when you touch it. We will explore 5 important texture adjectives: soft, hard, smooth, rough, and sticky. These words help us describe the surface or feel of objects in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use these adjectives confidently in everyday conversations. The first adjective is soft. Soft means something is not hard or firm. It is smooth and pleasant to touch. When you feel a soft object, it feels comfortable and gentle on your skin. Examples of soft things include a teddy bear, which is soft and cuddly. Cotton fabric feels very soft when you wear it. Soft pillows are wonderful for sleeping because they are comfortable and nice to rest your head on. Use the word soft when describing things that are pleasant to touch and not firm. The second adjective is hard. Hard means something is solid and firm. It is not easily bent or deformed. When you touch a hard object, it feels strong and rigid. Diamonds are very hard and durable. A wooden chair is hard and sturdy. Ice becomes hard when it is frozen. Use the word hard when describing things that are firm, solid, and cannot be easily changed or bent. The third adjective is smooth. Smooth means something has an even surface without bumps, wrinkles, or roughness. When you touch a smooth object, it feels flat and polished. A mirror has a smooth and polished surface that reflects light beautifully. Smooth chocolate tastes delicious when you eat it. The water in a calm pool is smooth and peaceful. Use the word smooth when describing things that have an even surface and feel flat to the touch. The fourth adjective is rough. Rough means something has an uneven surface with bumps and ridges. It is the opposite of smooth. When you touch a rough object, it feels bumpy and textured. Sandpaper has a rough texture used for sanding wood and preparing surfaces. Rock climbers like rough surfaces because they provide better grip and help them climb. The ocean was rough and stormy yesterday with big waves. Use the word rough when describing things that have an uneven, bumpy surface. The fifth adjective is sticky. Sticky means something tends to adhere or cling to other things. It is covered with an adhesive substance. When you touch a sticky object, it can stick to your fingers. Candy is sticky and can get on your fingers when you eat it. Tape is sticky and holds things together by sticking. Sticky humidity makes the air feel uncomfortable on hot, wet days. Use the word sticky when describing things that adhere, cling, or have an adhesive quality. Now let us compare texture adjectives. Soft and hard are opposites. Soft describes things that are smooth and pleasant to touch, while hard describes things that are firm and solid. Smooth and rough are also opposites. Smooth describes things with an even surface, while rough describes things with bumps and an uneven surface. Understanding these contrasts helps you use the right word to describe exactly how something feels. These opposite pairs make it easier to remember and use texture adjectives correctly. Let us learn common phrases using texture adjectives. We say soft skin to describe skin that is smooth and pleasant. We say hard rock to describe a solid mineral. We say smooth surface to describe something with an even, polished finish. We say rough texture to describe something bumpy and uneven. We say sticky situation to mean a difficult problem in life or work. We say hard to believe to mean something is difficult to accept or seems unlikely. These phrases are used frequently in everyday English conversation. Let us practice using these adjectives in sentences. The soft carpet feels comfortable on my feet. This hard plastic chair is uncomfortable for long sitting. The smooth marble table is perfect for our dining room. We need rough sandpaper to prepare the wood for painting. Be careful because the sticky honey is all over the jar. These sentences show how to use texture adjectives in real situations. Try creating your own sentences with these adjectives to practice. Let us recap what we learned today. Soft means smooth and pleasant to touch. Hard means firm and solid. Smooth means having an even surface without bumps. Rough means having an uneven surface with bumps. Sticky means tending to cling or adhere to other things. These 5 texture adjectives are essential for describing how things feel in English. Practice using them in your daily conversations. Master these texture adjectives for everyday English. Congratulations on completing this lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.